Welcome back to Tech Goods. Today we're diving into a game-changing inspection tool, the VEVOR Articulating Borescope Camera. Whether you're into automotive repair, plumbing, or industrial maintenance, this camera promises to make tough inspections effortless. In this in-depth review, we'll explore its features, real-world performance, and how it can help you tackle even the most challenging inspection tasks. Let's get started. First up, this borescope is packed with features that professionals and DIYers will love. The standout is its 180-degree two-way articulating camera. You can steer the lens left and right, making it easy to inspect even the tightest and most inaccessible spots. This flexibility eliminates the need for repeated adjustments and allows for smooth, precise navigation. No more struggling with awkward cable positions or twisting the entire device. Just rotate the control wheel and you're good to go. This is a game changer for tasks like inspecting engine compartments, HVAC ducts, and plumbing pipes. The 5-inch IPS screen delivers 1080p HD video with stunning clarity and true-to-life colors. The display technology ensures wider viewing angles, so you get consistent image quality no matter your position. Plus, you can zoom up to 8 times and rotate the image 180 degrees, ensuring you won't miss any critical details during inspections. This makes detailed inspections easier than ever, perfect for engine repairs, electrical work, and more. The combination of zoom and image rotation helps you capture every angle with precision. The camera's 6.4mm ultra-slim lens fits where others can't. This tiny IP67 waterproof camera is designed to handle tough environments, including wet or dusty areas. Its compact size allows access to even the most confined spaces, making inspections stress-free. Plus, 8 adjustable LED lights ensure you see clearly even in dark spaces. You can adjust the brightness to 3 different levels. So whether you're working in dimly lit areas or complete darkness, visibility won't be an issue. With its 4,500 mAh battery, you get 4 to 6 hours of continuous use, plenty for demanding inspection tasks. This long-lasting power ensures you won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-job. Durability is another highlight. The rugged design can handle tough environments, from automotive garages to construction sites. Its high-temperature protection feature even triggers an alarm if the camera lens exceeds 85 degrees Celsius, safeguarding it from potential damage. This inspection camera works for automotive diagnostics, plumbing, HVAC checks, and industrial maintenance. Whether you're diagnosing engine problems, clearing blockages in pipes, or inspecting duct systems, this tool has you covered. Its versatility makes it a must-have for both professionals and serious DIYers. One user said, "The clarity is great, easy to use and maneuver, very pleased, works better than the cheapest Snap-on." Another user said, "What an awesome product and a great deal too, great clarity and lighting in tight spaces or holes." The VEVOR Articulating Borescope Camera delivers exceptional performance, making complex inspections simple and efficient. Its premium build quality, advanced features, and ease of use make it a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a durable, high-performing inspection camera, this one is worth every penny. Hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. See you in the next video.